Welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll learn how to generate marketing ideas from a PowerPoint presentation. So at the end of this tutorial, you should be able to import data from PowerPoint using the PowerPoint data source connector in Mantium, and then you should be able to use the generate text transformation to generate marketing ideas from the PowerPoint file. Let me show you the PowerPoint that we're going to work with. So imagine you have a PowerPoint of a particular product. You have a couple of slides as shown. You have this text slide about it's a product called Mantium. This is the product description. This is what the product, what the product is for and how to use it. And this is how the product works, and also more information on how the product works. And also you have different use cases on the product. So you could use this text to generate marketing ideas, and instead of copying and pasting into ChatGPT, you could just import this PowerPoint file and use the Mantium transform to generate quick marketing ideas and also export the data when that is done. Let me show you how to do that. Over at Mantium, navigate to data sources to set up the PowerPoint data source connector. Head over to add a data source and click the button. Then you see a couple of data sources are shown. I will use the PPTX data source, which is for uploading PowerPoint files. So we have documentations and examples of how to use more of these data sources as shown. But for this tutorial, we're working with the PPTX. So click on that and we'll give it a name. So we can say PowerPoint data set or PowerPoint data source, save and test, and that will take us to the next window where we're going to upload the PowerPoint file. To upload, click on files and simply drag and drop the PowerPoint file. So I'll click on upload, and when the upload is done, I'll click on the finish and sync button to complete the synchronization job. So let's say you click on finish and you then click on finish and sync. You can use the manual sync button to start the job and also complete the synchronization process. Or let's say you add more PowerPoint files to this, you could click on manual sync to synchronize that and create data set on and update your data set by creating custom data set and apply transformation on that. I'll show you how to create custom data set in just a few seconds, and then we're going to apply the generate text transform to be able to generate marketing ideas. Now that the job process is done, click on create custom data set, and notice that Mantium has recognized where the data comes from, which is the PowerPoint data set source that we just created right now. So click on add the name, so we can also give it PowerPoint data set or PowerPoint data just to be able to differentiate both of them, and click on save. So this would kickstart the job process to create a custom data set that we're going to apply the transformation on. Now that the job process is done, notice that we have the text column and we have the PowerPoint content as shown. So this is the format, the binary format that you have the PowerPoint content, and Mantium has automatically triggered the convert PowerPoint to text transform that would extract the text content from the PowerPoint file. So this is the text content that we have in that PowerPoint file as I showed previously, and you can see the overview, everything that we have in that. So we're going to make use of this to generate marketing ideas for this product. So click on transform, and that will take us to the transform builder, and we can search for generate text. And generate text, we're going to make use of this particular configuration to guide the large language model to create marketing ideas. If you don't know how to work with this transform, click on documentation and you see a couple of examples on how to work with this. So I'll go back to configuration and I'll leave this at marketing ideas, and I'll select my OpenAI credential ID. If you don't know how to configure your OpenAI credential ID, I'll leave a link in the description below that will guide you on how to do that. The next step is to provide the prompt in the string template box. For the purpose of this tutorial, I prepared the prompt. So the prompt read thus: please generate a comprehensive summary of key marketing strategies and tactics to promote this particular product. And I just went on to provide more information. So I'll guide the large language model to make use of the text column. So I'll select text in this column variables, and that will take this prompt together with the content of this text to be able to generate marketing ideas. So you don't need to perform any other transformation. Just click on Save and Run Transform. Right, now that this job is done, click on the marketing ideas column and you see your marketing strategy and tactics, and so you can work with this quickly to work on different marketing strategies. So if you like to share this, you can easily click on the export button and you can download this data set and then share it with your team for further usage or further analysis. In this tutorial, we've learned how to import data from PowerPoint presentation into Mantium, and then we use the generate text to generate marketing ideas and then export that data set. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, scan this barcode to join us over at Discord, where I'll be available to answer your questions and provide more guidelines on how to use the Mantium no-code platform to clean your data set and prepare your data set for AI applications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.